Claim, is the newly announced 18% GST applies on sale of all used cars? Fact check. The claim is going viral on social media. A video is making rounds on the social media claiming that Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has announced an increase of goods and services tax, GST, from 12% to 18% on selling old or used cars. Soon after the announcement, the social media is abuzz with claims and counterclaims, following the press meet by the Finance Minister.
It is on that margin, the margin value between purchased price and resale price. 12 लाख में खरीदा, 9 लाख में बेच रहे हैं सेकेंड हैंड यूज्ड व्हीकल के नाम पर. On the margin is only this 18% is being put, as would be for any used car.
It has been shared here and here with similar claims. Fact check. Misleading. Individual to individual sale of old cars attract no GST, but dealers reselling old cars or those who had availed depreciation do attract 18% while selling their old cars on the margin. Fact check details. As the debate is going viral on social media, Digiti India team found explainers on social media different from what the Finance Minister said in brief. In her briefing, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman explained it referring to tax on the margin value of resales, but mistakenly suggested that individuals selling their used cars would be liable for the tax. Our search for news reports revealed that the tax will actually apply to businesses involved in the resale of used vehicles, not private sellers. Further, we looked out for the official press release by the Government of India on PIB. Under other changes relating to goods and services, the statement said, essentially, the taxation is based on 3 specifications. 1. Unregistered person or private individuals who sell their old cars incur 12% GST as before and do not attract the increased 18% GST. 2. Firms which claim depreciation on old cars attract this GST when they sell them on the margin of the supplier or the difference between the purchase price and selling price, depreciated value if depreciation is claimed, and not on the value of the vehicle. 3. Companies which buy and sell old cars do attract this 18% GST. See the Finance Minister's explanation in this video.
Used EV, an individual selling to another individual, no GST. But if a company has bought EV, or if there is a regular registered used car seller who buys EV, does some propping up in it, adds value to it and then sells it, it was fair.
Further example shows that if you buy a car for 12 lakh rupees and sell it to another individual for 9 lakh rupees, no GST applies. But if you are a dealer who buys a car for 9 lakh rupees and sells it for 10 lakh rupees, the 18% GST applies only to the 1 lakh rupees margin. Claim, an 18% GST imposed on all sales of old cars. Conclusion, misleading. Individual to individual sale of old cars attract no GST, but dealers reselling old cars or those who had availed depreciation do attract 18% while selling their old cars on the margin. Rating, misleading. The claim is misleading. Thank you for visiting us, Digiti.in. Subscribe to our channel, Digiti India.